Brad Williams, XL Prime. 1412, the lookup function. The lookup function is straightforward. We have three arguments. We have a lookup value, we have a lookup vector, and a result vector. What's the lookup value? The lookup value is the value to search for. The lookup vector, the one row or one column range to search. The result vector, the one row or one column range of results. The lookup function is limited. Well, I'll show you why. We have the lookup function, lookup. What are we looking up? We're looking up this item number. Where? B5 to D11. That would be the lookup vector. What is the result vector? C5 to C11. We're limited here. We have to look up this B5 in this range, and then the ultimate result has to show up where? C5 to C11. If we're looking for a date, we have to look under dates. We can't stray away from that. If we're looking for price, we have to look for price. If we want to find the first item number, we just go lookup G4 and B5 to B9. A lookup will automatically default to the first item. If you want the last item, this is a little tricky. Let me explain a couple of things. BB is kind of crazy. You can change this, but BB means the entire column. I don't like this particularly because if there's something further down that you don't know about, it's going to take that number and throw everything off. In other words, if I had a word down below what's viewable, and I just put in dog, look what happens. The last lookup is going to look for dog, and you're going, what? That's why I don't like using this BB, because it's going to look at the entire column. So let's get rid of that. We're going to change this. We're going to go BB to the exact range, and then we're going to go BB. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.